Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got something special for you today. So in today's video, we'll be making aloe vera juice and also be sharing the incredible health benefits of this amazing plant. If you have ever tried aloe vera juice or have experienced its health benefits, drop a comment below. I would love to hear about your experiences, and if you are excited about today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Let's get started. Okay, I got my matured aloe vera from my aloe vera plant. So if you want to learn how to grow aloe vera at home, I'll leave a link on the comment section or in the description. Okay, after that, make sure you drain the aloe, that is the yellow sap. Okay, I did mine off the camera, so you are going to simply place the aloe vera upright in a container with the cut end down. Allow the yellow sap to drain out for a few minutes because the yellow sap may cause irritation to our skin. So draining the yellow sap is very important. So after draining the aloe, that is the yellow sap, you now wash your aloe vera very well. Okay, I trim off the thorny edges so I'll be able to cut my aloe vera into pieces, then extract my aloe vera juice. Okay, let's move on to the health benefits of aloe vera juice. Okay, aloe vera is a powerful antioxidant. It reduces inflammation, it kills bacteria, it kills virus. So taking aloe vera juice will protect us from variety of infections. Yeah, drinking aloe vera juice helps to lose weight. So if you are consistent in taking aloe vera juice, it will help in weight loss. It also keeps us full, thus preventing excess intake of calories in our body. Okay, aloe vera helps in our digestive system. That means taking the juice will help cleanse our digestive system. It also helps in the movement of bowels, preventing constipation. Taking the juice in an empty stomach helps in removing toxin from our body. Aloe vera, when consumed effectively, reduces blood sugar level. Aloe vera is useful in the management of type 2 diabetes. Aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. Yes, it is a miracle plant. It nourishes the body from the inside. It is rich in nutrients and it boosts immunity. Okay, I collect the clear gel from the aloe vera leaf by scooping it out with spoon. Yes, and when scooping it out, you have to be careful so that you don't scoop with the body of the aloe vera. Okay, after that, I rinse my aloe vera twice. Then I placed the collected gel in a blender, and I added ginger to my juice. So if you don't take ginger, you can skip adding ginger to your juice. But if you take ginger, it is advisable to add ginger to your aloe vera. So I added ginger. I cut my ginger into pieces. Then I added it to my blender. Then blend everything together. I blended my aloe vera until I achieved a smooth and consistent texture. So you are going to blend your aloe vera for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, yes, 2 to 3 minutes. So every Okay, after blending my aloe vera gel, okay, I strained to remove any remaining pulp from it. Then after straining, I added 2 tablespoons of honey to my juice. Yeah. So after adding honey to it, I'm going to add lemon to my juice. But if you don't have lemon at home, you can use lime. Yeah. So you can add lemon or lime to your juice. Then after adding it, you mix it very well. Stir it very well, and your juice is ready. Okay, if you don't want to take your juice immediately, you can store it in your fridge, then take it whenever you want to take it. Oh, but I'm going to take mine immediately, so I added ice block. I'm using ice block to take it. So I added ice block to my glass cup. Then I pour my aloe vera juice to my glass cup, and I diluted with water. Okay. So in my next video, I'll be showing us how to use aloe vera gel on our skin and on our hair. Then the benefit of the aloe vera gel on our skin and also on our hair. If you have watched my video till this very moment, thank you for watching. Please like the video and also comment on the video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also share my video.